Hello guys! Good morning!
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning everybody. We are on our way to Clark. And yeah, we're gonna have some breakfast in Clark this morning. So we're gonna take you through the journey to get to Clark from where we are. So let's go.
Nalobat kasi yung camera natin, so magpapabayad tayo dito sa akin po. Hopefully maganda naman siguro ang ating camera. Sana. Yan, makikipagkareraan kami, surot lang. Yan. Grabe. Ang ganda, grabe, ang ganda ng mga nakaka-refreshing. Good morning sa lahat, mga moms, mga baby moms, mga auntie moms. Lahat tayo ay mom. I don't know what is that, but it looks like a Air Force City. Yeah. Ayos sa akin. So, ito yung base. Kahit paano base ng Air Force. Yan. Dito tayo guys. Ang laki na base. So, maging Air Force dyan. Yan. May base nila dito sa akin. Sa Clark. It's a nice port. Very clean. Very nice. I've never been here seriously. Like, it's been a long time that I live here. Like in 2019, let's say 2019. How many years is that? 29. 6 years till now. I didn't even know that there's a kind of things like this. Oh, the heights. Oh, luxury. Very luxury. I bet they are in their rooms very luxury in here. No enter restricted area. Don't worry.
We're on a drive, the heights.
Yeah, I bet it's very expensive there. I don't know too. Hopefully we're not gonna anyway guys, we always lost. So
Okay, we'll turn around.
oh, do they allow to turn around? I don't know where we're going. Yeah, gambling. We almost got lost, so we don't wanna be far away. Whatever. Hindi namin alam sa namin kung ano namin paano. Wala. Pero ang ganda. Ang ganda, nakaka-refresh. Hindi ko expect, hindi ko alam na may ganito pala sa Angeles. Na, ano, mahangin, fresco, maliwalas, hindi palagi yung, alam niyo na, sa Milibago, na bar palagi. Dito yung mga normal na tao. So yung mga nandun, alam niyo na, parang ako lang, mga mongoloid na tao. Joke lang. He's so clumsy, and guess what? He just kept walking, and then suddenly he almost fall. Hindi ka na siya na ano. Ang ganda. I feel weird, touching this. I don't know. It's so soft. But do you feel that? Yeah, I feel soft with this one. Huh? Tarmac.
Tarmac, that's what it's called, the Blackpool.
Oh. Tarmac, okay.
Tarmac.
Tarmac.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah, it's not like the same because all these houses and whatnot. Anyway, it's given out. Mine actually, Remote from DDJ, Osmo, whatever it's called. Fuck it. We flow back. I forgot to charge it today, so we're on cell phones recording. What that? Yeah, I can actually take that one. But yeah, there's loads of places up here, guys, where you can have food if you want to enjoy.
Oh, it looks like a lot of people there.
Yeah. Yeah.
100 house.
100 house.
Yeah, it's absurd.
You've got good eyesight. Morning, Koya.
Tired. Oh, it's
Look at that, look how big it is.
same like you. Big.
Yeah, it's always busy, that place.
Guys, I'm a little bit of tired na. Keep walking. And eto na. Seriously, I am so weak. Hindi ko na kaya. Yung camera medyo magulo na rin. So, ayan yung nangyayari sa atin. Kaya kailangan ko ng makahanap ng pagkain. Yung tipo napaka-choosy ko kasi. Choosy sa pagkain. Yung isa gutom na nagmamadali. Nagmamadali ng kumain. Guys, nandito kami. So, what is it? Arby's, right?
Yeah. Arby's.
So we ended up eating in the Arby's.
Yeah, we checked a few places in Clark. We've checked a few places and a lot of them were closed still. Bear in mind it is only 10 o'clock in the morning, so probably that's the reason why all the places were closed.
Yep. And also I was so tired, so we just ended up here. We're still naghahanap pa ng mga places, pero yung pa ako sa sobrang liit, pagod na rin. Alam niyo naman. Sandali lang ako mapagod. Wala tong energy. And then, yun, nagugutom na rin yung isa. So, yep, dito na kami. Sabi ko dito na lang. It looks nice though. Kind of fancy this and that. What did you just order?
I ordered a cheeseburger with potato wedges.
Potato wedges.
Yeah, I wanted a pizza, but
Wala pizza. Me naman, na-curious ako sa, adobo maluto. Yung feel like Kapampangan maluto means red. So, mostly yung adobo is, dark, diba? Tapos biglang, red. So, bigyan natin, check natin.
oh, thank you very much indeed. That's pretty
Thank
kind
you.
of you.
So, may complimentary tayo. Tada!
That's cool. Yeah.
Dahil nagutom na. Kawawa naman yung isa. Gutom na gutom. Okay guys, I'll see you later. I'll wait for a bit. Guys, he's telling me to go somewhere already. But then if I go somewhere, he was just like, oh, I miss you, babe. I miss you so much. Come back. I was just like, really? After you kicking me out?
Full of shit. That's all I can say.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Here you go, guys. Ito yung adobong maloto. So, they cook it in a anato seed. Kaya color red yung niya. Ang ganda. Ang bango. Ang bango niya anyway. With a perfect match of watermelon. Yan.
Kimbo's dead. That burger looks good. So guys, we are here at this restaurant and I'm about to eat the burger and the burger looks pretty damn good. Look at that. That looks pretty good with some nice potato wedges. And she's got this new adobo thing which
Red
looks really
adobo.
good. It's looking well. Let's eat.
Hello guys, so guess what? Ang sarap ng food dito sa may Arby's. Yan. Yan, Arby's.
Arby's.
The rice, yung food nila, automatic. 10.
10 out of 10.
Perfect. Ngayon, since dito na tayo nagtatapos.
Cheeseburger was really good as well, I've got to say.
Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna end our video in here. Wow.
I want to go.
I'll see you to the next video again, guys. Okay, bye-bye.